Hello, I am Jacob.
And I am Ankita. Let us start with pigeonhole principle PHP. तो क्या है ये PHP? So, the basic statement of pigeonhole principle states that suppose n number of pigeons are put in m number of pigeonholes where n is greater than m, then at least one pigeonhole contains at least two pigeons. Very simple, very logical, right? And this is very obvious, no? Now, let us understand this topic with an example. If there are four pigeonholes and five pigeons are to be placed in these holes, then there exists at least one pigeonholes with at least two pigeons.
Good to hear that definition. That was quite interesting. Now, let me ask you a question on that. Take a square whose sides are of length 2 cm each, and I gave you 5 points. You have to arrange that point inside the square. Now, I challenge you that no matter how smartly you arrange that point, there will be at least 2 points inside the square whose distance is not more than root 2 centimeter.
I am not agree and I love challenges. So let us try to solve this. As my friend Jacob said, we have to arrange 5 points in a square of length 2 centimeter each such that there exists at least a pair of points and the distance between that pair of points is at most root 2 centimeter. How can it will be possible? Uh, Let us try to solve this. So, firstly put 4 points on the corners of the square, and now we have to put fifth point. So let us make 4 congruent parts of the given square such that each part would be a square of side 1 centimeter. Now if I put the remaining fifth point in any of the square, the distance between the pair of points is less than root 2 centimeter. But the extreme case is on center of square. So let us put the fifth point at the center of square. And it's done. The distance between the pair of the points is root 2 centimeter.
I told you I will win.
By pigeonhole principle, there exists pair of points in one small square and maximum distance that we have is root 2 centimeter.
So our next topic is derangement. By the name itself it suggests that it's an arrangement of object in a wrong order. Now let us try to give a proper definition to derangement. Derangement is a permutation of an object where none of the object is in its original or natural position. Now let us take an example to understand this topic better. There is a postman who has been given 5 letters and there are 5 addresses. If he is loyal and not so lazy, then he will definitely deliver all letters at the right places. But he is so inefficient in his work that he deliver all letter at the wrong places, then we need to find number of such derangement in which all the letters are received at the wrong ends. I will request my friend Ankita to please explain this topic and to give the solution.
I am here, so let us try to solve the problem of the lazy postman. Firstly, let us see the formula of derangement. That is, derangement of the n object dn is equal to n factorial summation k is going from 0 to n minus 1 raised to k divided by k factorial, which is equal to n factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial up to minus 1 raised to n upon n factorial. But we have to find d5 since we have 5 letters. So let us start. Therefore, d5 is equal to 5 factorial. Summation k is going from 0 to 5 minus 1 raised to k upon k factorial. That is equal to 5 factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial, which is equal to 44. That means there are 44 ways in which the lazy postman can give all the 5 letters at the wrong addresses.